Hello fellow foodies. Welcome back to the Rivervale Pig. In this episode, we are taking you to eat the best tofu skin ever and see how they are made. But first, we have some breakfast before setting off. Today, we are making our way from Taitung to Hualien. Somewhere along the way, we will make a stop at Taitung County to eat some freshly made tofu skin. Dochi Tofu Skin Shop is located in Taitung County, in the Qishang Township. The 3 generations of owners have committed to making tofu skin using traditional methods. The time-consuming process is what makes this unique Tofu Skin Shop's product so famously delicious. Tofu skin is somewhat of a misnomer. It is actually soybean milk skin, made by lifting away the sheet that forms on the surface of heated soy milk. The sheet can be dried in flat form or bunched up into bundles. The process begins by grinding the soybeans before daybreak. The extracted soy milk is then boiled. During the boiling of soy milk, in an open shallow pan, a film or skin composed primarily of a soy protein lipid complex forms on the liquid surface. This skin is then picked and hung up to dry. In Chinese cuisine, the skins are a mainstay of the vegetarian diet, though I've never known a meat eater who didn't like the half-tender, half-chewy texture of the product. There are only 3 items here for sale: the tofu skin, pan-fried or non-fried, soy milk and soy pudding. Both pan-fried and non-fried tofu skin are good. The pan-fried version has a rich umami flavor with an appealing crispy texture, while the non-fried version offers a clean, unadulterated scent of fresh tofu. Order everything as they all complement each other, but do be careful as these seemingly light snacks are addictive. Before you know it, you'd be having seconds or thirds. After an overconsumption of protein, we continue our journey towards Hualien to bring you more culinary discoveries in Taiwan. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the Rivervale Pig Food and Travel channel.